Interpersonal skills are often necessary for success in the professional world. One interpersonal skill that can be particularly important in the workplace is knowing how to use tact when interacting with others. The Merriam-Webster English Dictionary defines tact as the ability to communicate and interact with others in a way that does not offend them. When you communicate with tact, you explain information to an audience only after first considering whether it might be negative or painful to hear and anticipating how that could impact your audience's emotion and future course of action. Using tact can help you to preserve civility, show respect for others, preserve their self-esteem, and even protect your relationship with them. Tact is often important when you have to relay information that could negatively impact others' emotions or situations. Tact also plays a key role when providing critical feedback, making it an especially important skill for leaders. But being tactful doesn't require you to be indirect or unclear with your words. Just careful. Tact is being able to clearly explain what someone needs to know by selecting words and nonverbal cues that do not antagonize them or add unnecessary negativity to an already unfavorable situation. It's best to use tact when you have something important to say, but you want to be amiable, polite, non-confrontational, non-aggressive, and forward-thinking about finding solutions. Here are some things for you to remember when using tact. Ensure that your nonverbal communication, such as body language and tone of voice, relay the same non-confrontational stance as your words. For example, use open body language and a calm tone of voice. Engage in active listening, in which you truly care about what the other person has to say and demonstrate you're paying attention to them. Avoid interrupting and try to respond in ways that show you're following along with their train of thought. While active listening can help you understand exactly where the other person is coming from, empathetic understanding helps you respond in a way that can soften the blow of bad news and speak in a way that promotes harmony between you and the other person. Avoid being flippant, humorous, or sarcastic when discussing matters that the other person may find distressing. Try not to be accusatory. Whenever you can, and especially whenever opinions are involved, explain your perspective instead of pointing fingers. You can say, "It looks like what happened was," instead of, "It looks like you didn't do," to help others save face and stay focused on solutions rather than blame. Read the room and get the timing right. You do not want to approach someone with bad news when it's inappropriate to do so. This includes providing back-to-back bad news reports or sharing positive sounding news without accounting for any possible downsides. And don't joke or make offensive and discriminatory comments about a person's protected characteristic, such as race, religion, sex, age, etc.